Hello students, welcome to the class 7th standard mathematics term 2. Today we shall learn exercise 2.2. The topic is area of the circle. So this is the circle which has the center point O, and the center point to the edge of the circle is called radius. Now let's know the formula for this. The area of the circle A equal to pi r square units, where we can take the diameter as 2 times of radius, and we could write radius is equal to d divided by 2, which means diameter divided by 2. And now let's go to the exercise 2.2. Now the question is, find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 centimeter. Now the area of the circle we can write the formula is pi r square units. Here the given measure is 105 centimeter equal to 105 centimeter. Now look at the formula here. The formula is in the form of pi r square. Therefore we need r. So how can we find the r? So in the above formula we can find 2 times of radius is equal to d, isn't it? So therefore if we need r, we can divide the diameter by 2. So therefore to get r equal to d divided by 2, which means radius of the dining table will be 105 divided by 2. We can divide and then we can take the value to the formula. Otherwise we can keep the fraction as a value in the formula. Now let's substitute this value in the formula, that is area of the dining hall we need to find, isn't it? So area of the dining table, okay. So area of the dining table is equal to pi r square units. Here the given unit is centimeter. So therefore we could write, instead of pi we can write the value 22 by 7, or we can write the pi value, that is 3.14. Here let's take the fraction form, that is 22 by 7, and r value we can write it 105 divided by 2, because here r square value is mentioned. So therefore we need to write the r value as 2 times. Therefore I repeat 105 divided by 2. Now we can divide we can cancel the values. By 2 table if we cancel it, we will get 11. Then again if we cancel it, then we will get 5.5. Now we have the value 5.5 divided by 7 into 105 into 105. So now cancel the 7 table by 105, then 7 ones are 7, then 1 time we will get remaining balance 3 will be, then it will become 35, then 7 5s are 35, isn't it? So we will get 15. So the values are 5.5 into 15 into 105 will be 86,625. Therefore there is one decimal point, then we can keep the decimal point to the left 2.5. Therefore the value will be, area of the dining table will be 8662.5. Here the value will be in square units, isn't it? So we can write square centimeter. Now the second question is, calculate the area of the shot put circle whose diameter is 2.135 meter. Now we can write the solution and write the given diameter d equal to 2.135 meter. In the book they have given radius, but change it as a diameter 2.135 meter. Now the formula is area of the shot put equal to pi r square units, isn't it? The unit is given in meter. Now the pi value we can take it as 22 by 7. Then how we will find the radius value? That is r equal to d divided by 2, isn't it? So therefore the r value will be 2.135 divided by 2 into 2.135 divided by 2. Now cancellation of 2 and 22 we will get 11, and again cancellation of 2 and with 11 we will get 5.5. Now the remaining values are 5.5 into 2.135 into 2.135 and divided by 7 we will have, or whole divided by 7 we can take it. Now product of this three value we will get 25.07 divided by 7. Now cancellation of this value we will get 3.851. The value we get 3.581, which is the answer or the area of shot put. Now we can write it as 3.581 square meter. With this we can conclude the problem. Now the third question is, a sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering a circular area of the area. Water is 1386 centimeters square. Find its radius and diameter. So look at the picture. In the picture you can find it out that the sprinkler sprays the water covering the circular area. So in the diagram you can see the sprinkler which sprays the water. So that kind of sprinkler covers the area that is 1386 centimeters square. Now the area is given. Now we need to find the radius and diameter. So solution, we do not know the radius, we do not know the diameter, but we need to find it out. Radius and diameter, but only they have given that area. So as usual we can write area of the sprinkler. Area of the sprinkler is given, that is 1386 centimeters square. Area of the sprinkler covered. So area of the sprinkler covered this much area, that is 1386 centimeters square. So which is A equal to pi r square. So therefore this is equal to pi r square. Therefore pi r square equal to 1386. Now we can substitute the pi value, that is 22 by 7 into r square, that is 1386. So keep the unknown value on the left side and take the known value 22 by 7 to the other side. 1386 into 7 by 22 we will get. Now the cancellation of 1386 by 22, 693 into 7 divided by 11. Then again if we cancel it by 11 table, we will get 6 times of 66, balance 3 will become 33. Then 3 times we will get it. Now we can write the remaining value 63 into 7. Now if we factorize this value, then we will get it, that is 9 7s are 63 we can get it, or 7 9s are 63 we will get. So therefore 9 into 7 we can write. Now we can write these values as a square, because on the left side we have the square value, that is r square. So we can convert the 9 as a 3 square, isn't it? So therefore 3 square, and the remaining 2 times of 7 we can write it 7 square. Now equating the power, we get r equal to 3 into 7. Therefore r equal to 21. So the given measure is here centimeter. So therefore we can write centimeter. So we got a radius value 21 centimeter. So the radius, 2 times of radius is equal to d, isn't it? So therefore 21 into 2 we will get d equal to 42, which is the diameter of this area which is covered by the sprinkler. Now the fourth question is, the circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. In this question they have given circumference, which means boundary of the circle. So the distance of the boundary of the circle is 352 meter. But we do not know the radius or diameter, but we need to find the area of this circular park. Now let us write that 2 pi r equal to 352, which means 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. The r value we do not know. Then the circumference value is 352. Now we will have the value 44 divided by 7 into r equal to 352. Let us keep the unknown value this side and take the remaining value other side. Then into 7 by 44 we will get. Or you can write 22 into 2. Now cancelling those values we will get. By 2 table 22 we will get. Here we will get 1. The remaining one will become 15. Then 7 2s are 14. The remaining will become 12. Then we will get 6. Again if we cancel it by 2 table we'll get 11. Then here we get 8 2s are 16. Then the remaining one become 8. Again if we cancel it by 11 table we will get 8 times of 88, isn't it? So therefore 8 into 7 we will get. So therefore radius will be 8 into 7, that is 56 meter. The given measure is meter, so we can write 56 meter. Now we need to find the area of the park. So area of the park equal to pi r square. Pi value will be 22 by 7. R value will be 56 into 56. Now cancelling these values we will get 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. Then 22 into 8 into 56. And 22 8 we will get 176 into 56. The product of this two value we will get 9856. So which is the area of the park? So area of the park will be 9856. The unit is meter square. Or we can write 9856 square meter. We can write it and conclude it this way.